Hello. An arsenal of barbaric treatments are available for treating corns. Salicylic acid patches, rasp, files, pumice stone. So many methods that, in fact, do preserve the formation of corns. A shame when we know that corns can disappear naturally when protected during 5 weeks. Find out more. But what exactly is a corn? When the toes are deformed or squashed into narrow women's shoes, the toes are inevitably subject to very painful pressures and frictions. To defend itself, the skin triggers a reaction which leads to the migration of a greater number of cells to the surface of the skin, leading to the formation of a hyperkeratosis zone, the corn. What is the EPITACT solution for treating a corn? Objective number 1. Stopping the pain. EPITACT suggests inserting between the skin of the shoe 1 mm of epithelium. This material is ideal to relieve pain instantly as it absorbs the pressures and frictions exerted on the toe. Objective number 2. Resorbing the corn. To stop the formation of a corn and make it disappear, the toe must be protected for at least 5 weeks, time equivalent to the skin renewal cycle. Epithelium has therefore been integrated into hand-washable protections that can be reused daily. So as to treat a corn either on top or between toes, propose the DigiTube. Highly effective to relieve pain, the DigiTube is compact with just 1 mm of epithelium on its half circumference. Washable and reusable, just 10 cm provides 6 weeks corn protection. Available in 3 sizes, they are suitable for all shoes. When the corn is located on the tip of the toe, prefer the DigiTop. Washable and reusable, their lifespan is around 2 months. They are available in 3 sizes. Due to their effectiveness and long lifespan, EPITACT DigiTubes offer excellent value for money compared to disposable dressings.